up so high, even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl.
Oh, good morning. I'll pick up for Kenya.
You just have the sausage and cheddar sandwich today?
Yes, ma'am.
We got it ready for you. Go to the left for me.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, how cute is this? Have a good day. Oh my God. What the freak? Forgot that. Okay, y'all, we about to head out in the streets with my mom, hopefully. If not, I don't know what y'all about to see. Per usual. Can y'all see me? The light. Yeah, there you go. Okay, y'all. Today, I have literally no clue what's on the agenda. I really don't. This is picking up from the last vlog that you saw. I did that quick intro or whatever. So don't be tripping because you know I got the same shirt on. So anyway, it's going to be another hodgepodge type of video. You know, it's a day in my life. So you never know what's about to go down or not go down. So, but I like to always start with an intro. So at least y'all know what the dealio somewhat could be. So anyway, y'all, let's get this day started and have fun regardless. So we out in another thrift store. One of our favorites. We haven't been here in a minute. And they have copyright music playing, so I can't. So y'all gonna be getting a lot of B-roll, but that's okay. So let the shopping begin. Why you can't see nothing in the mud? Are y'all on crack? On everything, y'all. I got this exact same lamp from Goodwill for $5. Look how much this costs. These people crazy. Are we making this like a Valentine's Day one? Cuteness. And then I feed my soul. How cute is this, y'all? The cuteness. Look at that, y'all. 50 cents. Can y'all see that? Boom. Yeah, this purse is super freaking cute. Cuteness. Y'all can't even see me. Look how cute it is. Y'all still see me? I need light, baby. There you go. Y'all see me now? I'm about to die. Cuteness. Okay, we're at our second thrift store, and I've already got stuff. Craft stuff, but yet still stuff. Ooh, books. So, let me see what kind of damage I could do in here. Everything is half off in the store. Everything. Hold up, man. Oh my God, these books are so freaking cute. Leslie said we double trouble. Leslie. And here are some of my thrift finds that I got at the thrift store, guys. You know, Valentine's Day is coming. How cute are these? So cute. And I got these cute little candlestick holders. They're all different sizes. And this cute stamp dispenser. And yeah, I know I had to get that purse. So cute. Okay, y'all. So this year, well, I actually started before this new year even started. I wanted to clean up a lot. Well, my house isn't dirty and necessarily not organized, but I know certain areas that I use to hide things. So the next little clips or clips that you're seeing right now, like for instance, this is one of my kitchen cabinets that I ain't gonna say no indirectly because as you can see, very directly, I made it to an extension of my craft room. So whatever didn't fit in my craft room, whatever I was currently working on, I would store all the extras in that cabinet. And then it just became just like hodgepodge of whatever, as you see. It's like, I know. So I needed new room for some cake pans and other, just other things that I use for my events. I wanted to be more organized so when I'm doing my events, I have a go-to place or whatever. So I like, you know what, let's go ahead and tackle it, which I did. And so as you see, booyah. And I'm very, very proud of the results. It still needs tweaking and I need more room in my house. But I need to also purge. Purge. Thank you. Purge more stuff and more often. Stop trying to hold on to all things because I'm not using everything. You know what I'm saying? And I need to get over my addiction of cake pans too. Yeah, I love cake pans. So anyway, what else? Oh, so then I don't know about y'all, once I start cleaning one area, it may affect another area, which causes me to start that. So, but I told myself, stay focused, stay focused. Clean this kitchen first, then go to your closet, which I did. And once again, I purged some more items. And I have more items to purge too. I gotta go through my drawers and whatever, but you know what? That could get kind of overwhelming. So if you find yourself like not completing any task, just like slap yourself if you need to, you know what I'm saying? But get that one task done, then move on to the next. So I'll do drawers or what have you another day. So as this next little things you're probably seeing right now are 3 bags of clothes that I'm giving away actually tomorrow because today is January 4th and then I'm doing schedule a pickup for the 5th, right? Y'all, just do it. If you know for sure you haven't worn them items within the last year, none of 223, and either it's too small, outdated, or just tore up or what have you, y'all, but throw that away if it's tore up. But if it's new tags, never worn or lightly worn, give it away. It'll be a blessing to somebody else. Obviously, you don't have no use for it. So y'all, that's why I'm trying to look at things, trying to make room for new blessings and trying to be a blessing to others. So I came up with 3 bags and trust they're gonna be the first 3 of the 3. I'm gonna get back in there and see what else I can donate. So I can, make somebody else New Year a blessing. So that's pretty much it. This year, I want to be intentional with my actions, with my plans, and with my goals. Not just talk about it, but be about it. And put actions behind my words. Not just make cute little lists and cute little videos and say all this nice little motivational speeches or whatever. No, I want to be about my business this year and every year that follows, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I didn't start New Year's or January 1st. I started, I want to say in November, to create a habit, a pattern that I can continue started, with the new year or whatever, and just increase on it. To me, mentally, when I say I'm going to start January 1st, nothing gets done. So if I'm having that feeling, I start when I need to start, and that's how I feel like I get more things accomplished. So hopefully this could be who, if you're feeling like you need to start something, y'all start now. Let this be your sign that, hey, it's time to start something now. And I got so many projects, guys, that, whew, endless. But one project at a time. I don't got to get everything accomplished all in one day, or shoot, all in one month, week, year, what have you. Give yourself time, and don't put too much pressure on you that make you feel like you want to give up. There's enough pressure that wants you to make you to move forward. Yeah. So that's my TED talk for today, to 2024 or whatever. So more to come, y'all, with my vlogs, and I don't know what all that I have in store for you guys, because I want this vlog to be more natural and not forced, and not so like like I want to be a copycat and so on and so forth. No, I want to remain myself and bring to you the true, authentic me, and not just what I think y'all necessarily want to see. Because I feel like there's room for everybody in this vlog lane, and we don't all have to do the same thing, and whatever. And you may want so and so for travel, so and so for fashion, and you want Kenya for everything else. Hell, what? So anyway, y'all, I'm rambling now, and so until next time, I'm out. Deuces.